Uptime with Upgrade. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a video on how to adjust your headlights on your Volvo. Okay, what you're going to need is you're going to need a 3/16 socket. You're going to need your 3/16 socket. You can also, my little set came with this, but it was kind of tedious being real. So I got my socket. A little adapter to fit this little small socket on. Then I put it on my ratchet with an extension. Okay, take it all around to this is where you adjust your headlight at. I have this piece of wire down here to show where the light is. My lights were too low, so to bring my lights up some, I put your socket set on there and everything. And it's a star wrench socket. But this 3/16 bit fits on here perfectly. And you know, you just adjust it, tighten it. When you tighten it or loosen it, it'll go up and down, and you'll be good. I've already adjusted it. I just want to show y'all how to do it. It's very simple. Open your hood. Right there, to have your 3/16. You can use the 3/16 bit socket with a star. That's important. It needs to be that type of socket, and you can adjust it. That's Uptime. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's Uptime with Upgrade. Enjoy your video. Enjoy it. Be safe out there. Keep your rubber side down, and let's get paid.